and welcome to Clappia. Have you created apps where you would like to make it public and share it with many users? You can share a public link of your Clappia app. Let's see how to do that. So this app that I've created here, I'll make this public and we'll see how to share a link to this app for users to use. I'll go to the Design app, click on step 5 which is Distribute, then I'll click on Link Sharing and on the right hand panel I will enable this option. Link sharing is now enabled and the app is public. Copy this link here and share it with your users, and that's it. Let's say I log out and assume I'm someone who got that link. So I'll paste that code in my browser. You can see I can now use this app since it's public and make submissions. So in this way, you can share a public link of your Clappia app for others to use. If you have any query on how link sharing works or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always request support by clicking on the button over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.